How to download and install the latest security update on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, go down and tap on update. Then tap on security update. Now the phone will check to see if there is any latest version. If there is one available, you can then download and run the install. Now as said here, your software is up to date. So at the moment, my device is already up to date and there is nothing to download. But if you do have the latest version to download, you can download and go ahead and install the update. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.